Hey everybody, it's Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard of Codeless AI Automation. I have been playing around with some vibe coding tools for quite a while and got myself into some little trouble that I really should not have been in. I do have backups of a lot of the projects that I do, but there's one I realized that I do not have, and that is my projects on WebSim. So here is WebSim, and I'm going to show you. This is my WebSim project over here. That's my listing and my test automation checklist that I had. Here's the cool thing: is that this has been giving me error responses for it's been in and out for the last 2 days. I do have a bunch of projects. I was actually able to get to them briefly and see them. The system is kind of going online, offline, and I basically thought, oh, I kind of lost everything. Not quite, because I'm sometimes a little determined on what I want to do. And what I have over here was that I have a WebSim backup, and this was my test automation checklist. And the site momentarily came back long enough for me to pull these 3 items over here. Now, my question is, can I create a tool that will sit here and kind of wait all night and kind of ping WebSim to say, hey, are you awake? And if you are, let me go see the next project on the list. And I already know what the top one is. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go do this. I'm going to go over and get one of my favorite little utilities called AutoIt. So this is AutoIt using SkyLite over here. AutoIt is essentially a basic programming language. It's basic, but you can compile it. As long as you compile it, if you build it, never compile it, because if you compile it, it'll all be automatically, it encrypts it and it'll automatically be identified as something malicious, because the version, the malicious code detection in your system will say, I can't read it, so it's got to be malicious. If you hit build, it will build the project, and it will not give you issues on your system. If you do go, it will run it from inside of here. It won't create an executable, but that's my tip. So we are going to do that, and we're going to go and play around a little bit with Camtasia. Not Camtasia. I don't want Camtasia. I want to play around with code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say File, New. Let's say Save As. I have a second copy up there. So we are going to save this. We'll go under C. We'll get last modified WebSim backup. And we will do this. And we will go to, let's go to, I guess, okay, I'm going to save the file to here. We'll call it WebSim recovery. Save it like that. So there's our AU3 WebSim recovery. All right. Now, what we're next going to do is go and open up VS Code. Do that. And I think I have dogs are coming over here to bother me, and I don't like dogs bothering me at the moment. I said VD Code, VS Code. Let's try that. And we will do this. And we will go and do a file. Let's see. Save workspace as we want to do a new workspace. I guess. Let's do it this way. We will we'll go over here to, we'll open up a folder. There's my folder. We want to go there. And I'm going to go to WebSim Backup. And we are going to go to open. Really? I can't. I can open in terminal. I want to do code in terminal, I suppose. I can do this and then jump to it. So we'll go open up PowerShell. It's all coming up on my other monitor, so we'll just bring that over here. And we will do code dot. Boom. And that will bring us VS Code sitting here. And it's actually got the project open. Cool. So we is going to be talking a little bit to whatever we got available. Fable 5 here is not available, so we'll stick with Sonic. Start with Claude. And let's go chat a little bit with Claude. Create a skill the agent can load when relevant. All right. Well, let's explain to what we're doing. We are building a WebSim download project. WebSim is not highly available. Need to continuously refresh the page to get the list of projects. We need to remember the most current project. Project will be saved. The project resources will be saved in a folder in this path. Once the project is saved, once the resources are saved, we will return build. We're building it in AutoIt. Once the resources are saved, we will return to the list and download the next project. We must retain the list project completion over time. That's okay. Ask me any questions. Questions needed to complete the task. And I'm going to change this from this. We're going to change this to plan. And we're going to go hit that. See how that works. Currently, nobody really cares about what I'm doing. There's nobody watching at the moment, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. You can watch later, guys. All right, so what is the WebSim URL that you are targeting? My own profile page. I will enter a custom one over here because we already have. We have WebSim at Dark Arts Wizard. Let's see. I can think. Let's see if this comes up. Let's see, home, projects. All right, we are going to go with that right there. Okay. Number 1. Which browser should AutoIt script control? Chrome. 2. Okay. What resources I need per project? CSS, JavaScript, not a screen capture. Sure. Yeah, images, everything. Everything. Where should the project folders be saved? Projects folders named. Yeah. Folder named by project title. Sure, I like it. If it works, it works. Next, we are going to go to how should completed project progress be tracked? Tracked a simple text CSV file would be cool. Yep, we don't have enough for a database. When the sim is available and the project fails to load, what should happen? Keep refreshing with a delay until it loads with no limit. All right. We don't skip and move on because there's nothing we can do. Okay. All right. And 7. How does project list obtained? WebSim loads projects dynamically. How does the list appear? Scroll list on a profile dashboard. Submit. Okay. While we're waiting on that, let's go take a look and see if this puppy is going to return anything. I briefly came back, loading profile. Okay. Let's go to projects. See if we can get the projects. Okay. Contents, allow and review once. Okay. We are going to try and go there. I don't know how in the world I was able to get there. That says no projects. To new project. Too many timeouts. Okay, hey, there's a timeout. Okay. Cool. Okay. So we're going to see. Okay. We have a project URL. Can you pull from this? Okay. Allow once. Do that. Okay. Okay. I think we need to go into like full load. And while we're doing this, dude, is over here. Can I go to edit? Can I edit new project? That's pinned. No, don't do that. Don't you freaking do that. You go back. Oh, you monkey. Okay, I'm going to go do this. See if we can get to too many weights. And then I'm going to go over here and download. And see if we get it downloaded, or we see a message, error message at the bottom. And what I do is look at downloads. See if we actually picked it up. Accessibility, there's nothing coming in. All right, fair enough. There was an edit here. And okay. Wow. All right, our project is still chugging away. Allow that, whatever that is. Ask it to pull from that. We will come back over here. See if we got, hey, I got one viewer watching this boring stuff over here. Welcome from Facebook. We are trying to save our projects as WebSim does a death spiral. It is sometimes there, sometimes not. I'm currently lucky on this that it's there, but I cannot get, I'm actually in the edit and I'm trying to like download, open the whole page, something like that, download the resources. If I could edit this, it would be like freaking awesome. There's our edit. So we're going to go to edit, and we should be seeing our assets. Shows our assets. This is our history done 2 months ago. This is one of my favorite ones over here, so I'm trying to get this down as well. Was a pencil over here, and once you went to the pencil, it would, that's new project. These are projects. This is like, so it's actually editing, but view source. That's what I want. I want to view source. It would be, okay, that's our source there. And it was showing me the source. Well, you're excited about this. Edit. Visual Studio is talking to me saying, hey, got this. Start implementation. I don't know what auto thing is, but we'll let it chug away. And we're going to see if we could set up a WebSim to sit there and go and edit. Oh, look at this. Sweet, sweet. That looks much better. View source, edit tweaks, fork project, copy link. View source. There is our fourth four projects. Okay. And I'm recording this, so I could take it and send it over there. So we're going to go grab a screen capture. I'm going to go back over to my code over here, and I am going to go and say, hey, it's working on this. I'm going to go add a picture. Okay. This is a picture of the source. We need to download the all 4 files. We need to download all files, including index app builder and style. Index app builder and style. And we'll go and not cancel, but we're going to go and add this in to that for the steering. And while that's happening, we're going to go and save it manually. Let's see if we can do two things at once. This is too many weights. Here we are. This folder is too many weights. Now, I will be looking at the chat in a moment. If you're still here, nope, they're gone. I should look at the chat, and let's see. I wonder if we could just, nope, we can't. New file, text document, and this is index.html. And of course, we're going to get a message that says, hey, you sure you want to change it? Yeah, dude, I know what I'm doing. We want to open up that with Notepad. There is Notepad. And we are going to select all, copy, and we're going to go punch this in. Okay, and we save. Save. Okay. Now we go to app.js. Copy this. I guess we could do file new. This file save. Save as app.js. Save that. Okay, next is builder. All, copy, do file, new. Control N would probably be the better thing to do. And we'll do Control S. And that is builder.js, I believe. Builder.js, save that. And we'll go to style and all, copy, and Control N, paste that in there, Control S, and style CSS, style.css. And we have two of my projects saved off, plus an AutoIt, seeing if that is going to build us this. First, we need to download the files, including the app. Okay. It is just chugging there and probably burning up all of my tokens. I have about 1 million tokens. I don't know how much I spent. I got $100 in there. So hopefully it will do something. And we should take a look and see what is actually is using to build. So it's using Claude Sonnet. Okay, cool. Neat, but not really going where I wanted to go. Gosh, maybe I should go to Lovable and see if I can build it there. Don't know. All right, we have gotten this guy, and we are going to go back and see if we can get a list of all of our projects. Looks like it is doing anything. Go to my projects. Go to my projects. Go to my projects. I don't even feel like I'm logged in. Home. Go to my projects. If this comes back with all the projects, we're going to attempt to do this, download projects, and see if we can get them. Download, can we do this? Exporting, exported started. You'll receive an email when it's ready. Ooh, is that frickin' working? To my email. Well, I guess I have to keep an eyeball on my phone. Sorry if anything happens here. My mouse is fully charged. Okay, and I just changed it to the lowest setting. Well, that ain't the button. It's really cool getting a mouse that has 7 buttons on it. Studio project download automation. Allow. I will allow it. Too many waits. See if we can get to projects. That's 2. Wonder if I can get to again. Which one of these things is not what I meant to do? My mouse size, move mouse, change the mouse pointer. Cool stuff here. What kind of mouse is this? This is a G. I want my G hub. G hub. There we go. No, not GitHub. G hub. Hub. Logic Tech. G hub. Okay, my mouse is waiting for the Logic Tech to pop. Hearing something popping up here. Okay. Where did it go? Well, there we go. That's the responsiveness I want. It just wasn't up and running. Hello, see somebody looking at me from YouTube. Thank you very much. Just to let you know what we're doing over here. Some of the cool projects I work on are on WebSim. WebSim is dying, and it is not always there. So I am trying to get my projects away and save them. And right now I've gotten 2 of them on the WebSim backup, the test automation checklist and too many waits. And we're trying to get the rest of them and see if we can write a script with VS Code to pick that up. I don't want this. I can go away. Let's take a look at our recovery. Okay. It is still sitting there chugging away, trying to think about it. Oh boy, did I give it a complex one, didn't I? All right. What's new? Got it. It's nice. Don't care. I want my mouse here. And the DPI up and DPI down is these top 2 buttons. So the more I click it, the faster it goes. When I hit the down button, the slower it gets. So you want something a little bit more. Yeah, it's about, I think that's a little too low. Cool, thank you. And we're still chugging away, thinking about this. Boy, did I give it. I think I've gone way too far on this whole project. And it says no projects. No. This is my profile. Maybe downloading might be a good project. Go to projects tabs menu. That's cool. Let's go to home. See, stuff is still out there. You can go to like crush number blocks, and this stuff will still run. It's cool. Okay, so I don't know if you heard that. I don't know if I was sharing the audio, but yeah. What? Why is it talking to me? All this stuff is working, but my stuff, my little projects are back. Okay, so we have. Okay. Okay. We want to download all projects. Okay. Published only. Multiple revisions only. Okay. It says it's exporting, but am I getting anything in the download? I think I saw something that popped up down there. All right. Let's go to our, well, we got our fake, there's our grading table. Is the grading table there? Can I edit it? Okay. All right. Okay, I like this one, so we will go and see if we can download and get the projects. Okay. And what is this? Okay, it's built a whole bunch of stuff. I will keep all that. The new URL to save is that one. We'll go do that. We'll go over to this backup over here. We'll go to this puppy here. And see if we can open this. Open with. Let's go to the backup. Okay. We're going to go open this. There we go. And we're going to go Tools, Go. See what we get. We get some junk. Okay. Close that. Okay. Keep all this. Let's go over to our WebSim recovery. Give this a shot. Have it up here. And we're going to give it a tool. I'm going to say go, means running the local so we can see stuff that's out here. And we're going to go back and say, hey, we got that. Okay. All right, so what we want to do is close this out. Let that think for a while. And while it's doing that, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to my resources. This is my edit. This is my JavaScript. I don't see anything. All right. This is grade table. So we're going to create a new folder here. New folder. Grade-table. And we'll go create a new file over here. This. We'll do file new. New. File save as. And we're going to go over to our new one, create table. The file name is, what was it? Script.js. Okay, this one's script.js. Script. JS. Okay. Hopefully I named it correctly. Got somebody watching over there, watching from YouTube. Thank you very much. I do have a stream and chat open. So if you want to chat, saving my WebSim projects. We'll have to see if we could put that up there. Okay, so we are going to put this into the notepad. We've saved it. We'll do a file save as we're doing this. And then we are going to go back over here to index, all, copy, index. We're going to go to file new, paste, file save as, index. The dogs are being bad in the background, HTML, index.html. We'll save that. And our next one is our styles, CSS, all, copy. And we'll paste that in there. File save as, styles.css. There you go. Next new one. Okay. Let's see what the console log is doing. It is doing always allow all commands. There, please go do it. Okay. Library. So it's creating it and working on it. And in the meantime, I have saved 3 of my projects while waiting, trying to build this one. Okay, there's our grade table. Can I go to projects? Can I get my projects? Thinking about it. Oh, there we are. Cool. What's our next one? The Dark Arts shopping cart. Definitely want that one. We'll do that. We are going to check my email, see if all my projects downloaded. Dark Arts shopping cart. We'll go to edit. We'll go to JS. Here's our main. Copy that. Dark Arts shopping cart. It's a favorite of mine. Put that in there. File, save as. And we are going to go to new window, folder. We'll rename that Dark Arts shopping cart. Do that, and we'll go into it. And this one is going to also be main.html. Save that in there. Oh, it's main.js. Whoops. How are we going to do this? Save as. Save a copy as main.js. JS. Let's save that. We'll go to the mains and style CS. Okay. Copy. We will create a new one. File, save as. We are now in Dark Arts shopping cart. Style JS. Do that. Got one person watching. You know, maybe we need a little music. If you want to hang out, I'll do some music over here. Look at my media assets. How about Wild Disco? So we're gonna put that down a little bit. Okay, that sounds. I want my background music a little. There we go. It's a little better, don't you think? I do glance back at the comments every once in a while. So if you want to chat with me, you can chat with me on, well, we'll see. Style.js. There's our style. It's our general styles. We will save that. We'll save that puppy there. Okay, so we've got the shoppies. That's cool. Let's go back. All right, these things I think are just loaded in there. So I'm going to go back to projects. Ooh. Okay. Got an American roulette. I got a DOM stress test. Yeah, I think I'll build it with a pixel ruler. Didn't really care about the multiverse click challenge. Too many wait for timeouts. All right, got that. Console log window. Posed gas gauge. Oh no, the American roulette. Well, that one. Okay, the combo box challenge. We shall go get that. Edit that. Okay. Let's see if we can download this. Right, there's our combo box. JS, all that stuff, and there is our index. Okay. So this one is the combo box challenge. All right, we'll do a new one over here. Index HTML. File, save as. Combo box. Windows. All right, let's go back over to our AI, see what it's reasoning. Give it some more direction. Are now on to, oops, not that. Okay. We are building WebSim backup, new folder. And this is the combo box challenge. And we'll say this as main. What was main? Yeah, index.html. Index.html. We'll save that. Next one is combo box.js. Save as. Combo box.js. That. Combo box. Select all. Copy. And you'll paste that in there and save. And another one. will be the styles CSS. Copy. Paste. Save. Oops, yeah. styles.css. We will save that. All right, let's go back to our projects. And see if we can pick another one. Shopping cart, we got the American Roulette. It's one that I kind of built. What else we got back here? Vehicle renter, console log, propose. What else we got? Got the American Roulette wheel highlighter. I love that one. That one's kind of cool. Edit. Oof. Here's version 36. Let's make this the current one. Can we do that? So I'm pretty sure it used to be left to right. Okay. There you go, left to right. All right. And we will go and see if we can download these guys. Okay. See how this guy is going. Okay. We'll keep that. Keep. Well, he's just sitting there chewing and. Okay. Steer with the messenger. Sure. All right. So we're going to get the American wheel highlighter. Copy that. I think there'd be another tool that would make this easier. Maybe since this is acting a little bit better, can I download this stuff? I don't know. Use source, copy link, work project, edit tweaks, use source. So we go down here. We have our index script and styles. Let's go back over to our folder. I think we're kind of getting boring with this, so we will do this. Index script and styles. We'll copy these. We'll go back over this. We'll do a new folder. And this one is going to be American Roulette there. Cool. Let's go back and copy those files. Copy. Copy. We'll go back over to American Roulette highlighter. Paste them in there. And then grab this URL and we will go back over to our editor. There we are. And we shall file open. Open containing folder. That's probably what I want to do. No. Trying to do this the easy way. File, open, and we'll go to American Roulette Highlighter. We'll open all of these, which should be this, and we'll go to Index, select all, copy, select all, paste, and save. And we'll go to Script, copy. We'll go back over here to Script, all, paste, save, and Styles. All, copy. Okay. Looks like the AI is ready to talk to me again. And we will go to Styles. All, paste, and save. All right, we got a third project. Let's go see what the AI is telling me about what's going on over there. The AI says we're going to go keep all this. Okay, all the projects are queued. Okay. We are going to go back over to open with. Let's go to our editor, AutoIt. Kite, file, open. This guy, open. Okay, so we've got the specific project URLs to download before the full scan. Already completed slugs are skipped automatically. Okay, sounds good. Let's do tools. Go. Do you want to make the... Yes, that's okay. This Chrome driver was not found. Well, isn't that special? Guess we're going to close it. Should have built it in Selenium or Playwright. WebSim backup. The chat. New agents window. We got an agents window. New session. Select. Playwright. New folder. Backup. WebSim. Select folder. I need to navigate to this URL. Oops, that ain't the URL. Let's see what URL we're currently at. We already got the American Roulette highlighter wheel, I believe. So we're going to go back. Actually, I kind of understood how I could see this. Uh-oh. Let's go to projects. A list of the projects. To build a playwright type script test. So now we get a list of the projects on the page of all the projects on the page. Display them in the console log. All right. All right, so we're going to try this again. We're going to try it from TypeScript. See what we can do. All right. Let's see what other projects we got. Okay, it wants to do stuff. I will allow it. Geez, we might already have all the things we want. We have an IIST login. Oh, we have left, right, and center interactive tabs. I got the combo box challenge. This is the hello world of test automation. Thinking I'm going to be done. This is a new project. Okay. Allow all commands in this session. Always allow this. I thought I said. Okay. I'll let it allow. Okay. It's navigating to the URL. All right. All right, that's a little bit easier. Probably should have done this in the first place. Okay. Okay, it's cool. In the meantime, I'm going to go and get this. Hello world of test automation. We'll copy this. Then I will go over to the folder. Okay. Over to the folder. Where's our folder? There it is. Okay. So we're back, WebSim backup. We want to create a new folder. Hello World, test automation. We'll go to Dark Arts shopping cart. Copy all three of these because I think this one has two script and styles. All we need is script. Script and styles is all we really need here. Okay, we'll copy these and we'll go back over to Hello World of Test Automation. Paste those in. Open. Open with Notepad++. Okay. I'll close that out. File open. Yeah, leave a lot of junk open. File. Folders, workspace. Okay. We're going to go to Dark Arts Hello World Test Automation. Open both these two up. Now we're going to go grab the styles first. All there. Copy that. And save. Then we'll go to script. All that. Copy that. And select all this and punch that in. And save. And let's see what our agent is doing. He's applying a patch. Yeah, you know me. I'm thinking I'm going to be done by the time. Let's see. There's the hello world. So we shall go back. Go back to our projects. Where's our wonky login? The wonky login. Go edit the wonky login. Source. Holy smoke, that's got a lot. It's my agent doing? He patches the files. Well, you know, we're going to try a third option. We're going to go ask Gemini. See the files on this page, like index.html. Okay. Could you download them to this path? Let's go find that path. We're going to go back over to this. We're going to create a new folder. That is wonky login. Oh, let's rename that. Okay, cool. One, the built-in save download button. And query editor. So above the tabs, click the save button. Will typically bundle the file projects together for a zip. Top right corner of the code editor panel. I don't see that. Click the save button to copy paste. Yeah, we've already been doing that. Recommend a way to automate the download. So since Gemini doesn't do this, we're going to go ask Copilot. Okay, here's Copilot. Hello, Copilot. See if it says, no, can't see or see you upload them. You recommend a solution to automate the download of files from WebSim to my computer. So web dev. I meant okay. Best working use WebSim Project Hub and Downloader. Oh, so there's a thing that can do this. Well, let's go there. Oh, it didn't look like it went all of anywhere. Can't, yeah. Clone the repo, run the local app, paste your WebSim project link, and it fetches and packages everything. Plus, when you could do a playwright. Yeah, that'd be great, except playwright is kind of sitting there doing all sorts of stuff, like all or nothing. I think we kill that. WebSim API, if you have an API token. The bearer token, you could fetch the list, not obvious insight. Show. Recommendation for you specifically. Use Playwright, Automate, WebSim for you, or transparent. Ugh. Playwright. Want me to generate a working Playwright script for you? Sure, that'd be great. Yes, but it is not working. Need to go to the Edit tab, click each file, and copy the file to the local folder. And I'm absolutely right, you sycophant. Why didn't you know that in the first place? All right. New strategy, log in, open your projects. What's key insights? Blah, 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 blah. Generate a version tailored to exact project. Let's launch the used to not know how to do that. Playwright, record, and playback. Recorder. Yeah, I don't remember that. Okay, I'll copy this from console. Let's go to a console. Let's go to console, terminal. New PowerShell. There we go. Okay. Need to CD, CD, show you where I'm at. CD dot dot. Ellis. And what we want to do is go to WebSim backup. Oops. CD sim backup. Okay. That's what I want to do. Let's give that a shot. Here we are. Okay. We want to go back to this guy. We should get our projects. If the system is up, there we go, projects. Got that. I'm kind of losing projects. Interactive tabs. Click on that. Oh, I have to go back, start recording. Okay, we'll record. Okay, where are we recording? Record. Okay, so we'll go to interactive tabs. And then we will go to edit. And then we will go to JS. And we'll move this around. We'll get to click the main. Click here. Select all. Control A. Copy. Styles. Here. Select all. Copy. And stop. That's as far as I can go. Don't know exactly what I want to do there. Okay. I don't know if it did anything. All right, let's go back to saving our projects. Here's our login. The wonky login. Here we go. DOM, selection, stress. Resolution, vehicle rental, proposed gas gauge, combo box challenge, 3-column layout, United Circle, IST login, web archive hit counter, vulnerable login page, login tracker, candy mapper, scope of classes, C# variable scope classes. This is kind of a cheat sheet I had done. For C#. Let's see. Do I really need this? Edit. Config, script, and style. Oof. C# variable scope classes. Let's go take it. Sharp scope. Okay, we're going to go over there. I got config, scripts, and styles. Config, script, and styles. I don't think I have config. So I guess we do script and styles. Script and styles. We'll go back to C#. Paste this in. Script and styles. Add up. Let's go to styles. All copy. Oh, it's back over here. All paste. Save. And then we'll go back over to our folder. And this script of course opens up over here. I don't need that. Thank you very much. I'm going to open it up in Notepad. There we go. Copy and styles CSS. Oh, paste, save. Do that, and then we go to the config. Well, copy, do a new one, paste it, and save it as config.js. Save as. Config.js. Save that. Oof. Okay, got that one. What else do I have? Roulette, this, wonky login, shopping cart, grading test, the American roulette table. With a history and a break-even tracker. Whew. That one doesn't even look fun. Let's go back to my projects. Pixel ruler, resolution tracker, the button multiverse. I think this is where the button changes. Uh-oh. It's getting wonky again. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, it went and got wonky. I think I was lucky to get what I could. Yeah. That's still there. Can we get back to projects? Or are they going to sit there and spin? They're spinning. Yeah, poor WebSim. Feel sorry for you, buddy. Yeah, I think this is as far as we're going to get for today. Really wanted to kind of walk something through this. You know, I do have this other tool. What do I have? One of my automation tools. All these automation tools. You know, an RAP. Suppose I could try one of these. Let me see. There's thunders. Let me try that. Thunders? Are you down here? Come on, thunders. Okay, that's just sites that they had up there. Let me go back over, try and log in. Log in. Okay. Test plans. Guess I could call Thunder's Copilot. Tests or comprehensive test plans. All right. Let's try a test case. My question is, where do we go for the URL? That's the thing I don't understand. Navigate to this. Add a new step. I call web step, conditional, existing test case, visual compare step, file step. There is a recorder here. Let me hit the execute. Preparing a test environment. No tab activity yet. Hi, Captain. She's dead. Let's go to the vehicle rental. Can I get this? Wondering if I remember what this does. Vehicles. I have no idea what this does. Okay, what was my lock interface for a vehicle rental site that has a sliding interface? Different pages from the left. Home search vehicles. There should be an expand button. And it's finished. Be collapsed by default. Change the slide so it activates when the mouse hovers over it. Oh yeah, this was a simulation of some other application, which I thought was kind of cool. Vehicles, trailers, motors. So I couldn't see what that was. It was overlapping it. I think I'm really crazy about keeping that. It's the DOM stress test. Might as well grab this one. Yeah, there is something else that's also kind of cool. Microsoft created it and decided, oh, nobody would ever use this. Start record. Go click on JS. All. Copy. And then go to new. And go to here. All. Copy. It says it's being phased out. Paste. Finally, style. Copy. And paste. Stop and review. What do we get? Tells you exactly what you're doing. You know what this could do? Take this and put that into a AI and let it build the test for you. So it's slideshow. It says they're getting rid of it. What are the other tools? It's pretty cool. Alternates. You could use a snipping tool if you wanted to go back 20 years. You could use the game bar if you're using the Windows G. There's a game bar that I never knew of. That's kind of cool. Okay. We'll ditch that. Didn't even know it existed. And how do we get rid of this? I don't know. Okay. And Clipchamp. Make a screen recording with Clipchamp. Yep. Yeah, 3 things and only have 1/2 of what that product has. It's kind of cool. Maybe it'll stick around a while. All right. Think I got that. So we have the, this is going to be the down selection stress test. Has a whole bunch of elements. See how quickly you can pick something up. And how many are listed there. CSS style. Okay, we'll save as. What is this? We're going to say it's index main and style. So go to index main and style. I think I got everything I want. Index main and style. Put some backup. Nope. Index main and style. Nope. Nope. Index main and styles. There we go. That's what I want. Copy. Go back to the what was this project? The DOM stress. Yes. New folder. Stress. Paste these in here. Next main and styles. Copy. Go back to our DOM stress test. Paste this in. Open all three with Notepad++, which gives us this, which is the index. Supposed to start with, oh, it's style. Rename, it says style. Interesting, this name wasn't consistent. Style, select all, copy. And we will go over to styles and paste and save. We'll go over to main, all, copy, back over here. We'll do main, all, paste, save, and index, all, copy, over here, paste, and save. I think that's all I really want to save out of these projects, which was more entertaining, but that is what it is today. All right, everybody. Nobody was really chatting with me. Nobody was really watching. So I will let you all go. Hope you enjoyed this really boring session. Cheers.